What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Today we have chapter 75. This is HTML and CSS. It's like a little challenge or whatever. I've already started the first two. This code changes the color of the menu item color block when the user active is active. I think it's... See, this is kind of old. This is like just HTML and CSS, so it's like usually you use onClick, right? It's like an attribute in HTML, but in this case we're gonna do, let's say, I think it's click. I don't know. Clicks, bro. Nah, I got that one right. It's what's the type of word? Was it? Possessive, plural. I'm not really good with language arts like that. I don't know the terms, but no, it's a little bit different. So, yeah, I think it was correct. Fill in the blank for the styling for items of the class nav. Of the class nav applies before the user mouses over them. Before the user mouses over them. Okay. Nav. Mouses over them. You know, there is a difference. I think they're called pseudo. It's like pseudo something. Pseudo properties? I don't know. But there's two different ones. There's ones that you do with one colon, and then there's some that you do with two colon. So, I don't know the difference yet, because I haven't used CSS like that. But I think it's... Oh, before the user mouse. Damn, bro, I didn't read that correctly. Well, I did get it wrong, so... Oh, let's see. Drag the pieces of code onto the screen to style the element when the user mouses. Okay, so now it's mouses over them. The other one was before the user mouses over them. And I read it correctly. Li. So it's Li, and then I'm assuming the little... Let's see, is it a class? It doesn't tell you. I'm assuming it's a class like the last one. And then nav. I'm gonna kind of squeeze it in there. Trying to move it right here. So it's a nav. Li.nav. Let me just make sure. Let me reread it this time because no, the last one I got it wrong. Alright. Just like that. Why is there a hashtag, bro? Oh, it's for the... It's probably for the color. So we have a background color. Background color. You gotta use a hashtag for hex. And then lastly, the semicolon. Alright, let's see if I got it right. So we have Li hover background color. Alright, it looks good. Got it right. Go to the first line that changes the color of the color block when the user clicks. The class is color changes. The color block. So Li color changes. And it's gonna be active. There it is. Like that. Go to the line that changes the color of a color block to black. That changes the color. It doesn't say clicks. Changes the color of a color block to black. Is it gonna be background? Color black. There it is. Go to the first line that changes the color when the user mouses over it. The class is dynamic, so it'll be Li dynamic when the mouse is over it, so hover like that. The first line dynamic. Alright. Go to the first line that styles the color block before the user does anything. before anything. Make up the class name, so li, we'll do class, and before anything, so we just leave it like that. Create the first line that changes the color when the user clicks on the item. So it'll be, we can do li, nav, and then when it clicks on it, so it'll be active. But yeah, this is an old way of doing things. I know because I tried it. Maybe there's more uses. I only looked it up like once, and then it said on the Stack Overflow, it said don't use it, and it's kind of, it works okay. But maybe if you look into it, maybe you can make things work like that. But I just don't use it because JavaScript is just easier and pretty much better. Alright, so we have code 3 lines that style a color block before the user does anything. Okay. So let's do li. Class is just nav. And then before the user does anything, so we'll leave it like that. Color block orange, so we'll do background color orange. Just like that. Show. Code 3 lines that style a color block a hex color when the user clicks it. Clicks it, I already know it's gonna be active. But we gotta add the li, and then we're gonna have a class, right? So class of nav again. Style a color block a hex color. So we'll do background color. We'll do black. Black is 0, 0, 0, 6 zeros, and that should be good. There it is. Alright, now these are timed, so gotta think a little bit quicker. Go to the line that, and then the time starts when you start typing, so I'll make use of my time by thinking of the answer before I start typing. Go to the line that changes the color of a color block to black. Oh, that's easy. Background color black. Go to the first line that changes the color when it's moused over. The class is dynamic, so dynamic. Mouse is over, that'll be hover. Just like that. Go to the line that styles over the block before the user does anything. Before anything? Styles a color block. Well, that's just this here. Go to the first line that changes the color when the user clicks on the item. That'll be just li, nav, clicks, active. Alright. Go to the lines that style a color block orange before the user does anything. So that's just same thing almost. Nav. We'll do damn. Background color orange. Just like that. Check it. Cool. Code 3 lines that style a color block a hex color when it's clicked. When it's clicked. Alright. Nav, active. Color block a hex color, so that'll be background color hex color. We'll do white. There it is. And we can do one of these. Maybe both of them. Let's just do both of them. Alright, let's see. I've coded a nav bar. On the right, add 3 lines of CSS color to color li elements of the class background gray. Wait, let's run it. What is it? Oh, the background is okay. Background gray. Anywhere, huh? Right here under the li. So we'll do div nav. Oh no, the class. Add through lines of CSS to color li elements. Oh, the class. No. Li, not div. Back. Oh damn. Oh no, it is. I thought I was typing the CSS property. Background. Change. Background change. Background. Color. Gray. There it is. 3 lines. Just like that. Let's see if I got it right. I'm pretty sure I did because it's simple, right? It's nothing too complex, so let's see. Let's find out. No, is it because I duplicated it? Paste it on here. Alright, so this is the answer here. So background change right here. Li background change, I concluded. So yeah, I got it right. Let's do the last one. There's only 20 questions. The last one. Add the CSS to color the blocks black when the user mouses over them. When the user mouses over them. Li, so we're pretty much doing this here. Actually, we're doing the whole thing pretty much. We're gonna do hover, and we'll do black, run it. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And now to check if I got it right. Let's see. Yeah, so pretty much same thing on hover, black. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Same class and everything. Alright, well, actually before I end it, let's go ahead and correct these over here. In order to make your color change to menu color blocks in response to mouse actions, you have to assign a special class to the li elements. I think that's what it was. Last one. Fill in the blank for styling items with the class of nav that applies before the user mouses over them. Nav before the user mouses over them? Oh, before. There it is. Alright, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.